Good morning, Metro Detroit. Hey, listen, I've got something very special here for you. Two great things. One, the sun is shining. It's February in Metro Detroit. And buddy, that's pretty rare, as you know. The other thing that's really rare and something that's very cool is what's behind me right now. So as we approach this house, notice it has a newer roof, newer windows, new gutters with gutter guard in it. Overall, all those big mechanicals, the furnace have all been done. But the really cool stuff is the individual that lived here was a master craftsman. Look at that plaster work. You have a 12-inch reveal going around the living room. There's all kinds of neat little things throughout this house. Look at that plaster work. Around all the light fixtures throughout the house, you're seeing these domes. You just don't get this in houses in Sterling Heights. You have a great family room off the back. Lovely yard. We'll check out the covered patio here. Look at this. Great place. Imagine having barbecues there. Great backyard, but come on, let's go check out the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are good size. I do like the corner windows, adds extra light in there. So all the big ticket items have been done, and here's some more of that great plaster work. Now you have over 1,300 square feet of living space up top and about an additional 800 square feet below. Now this is a great feature. So you have a step-in shower on the main floor. That way you don't have to worry about trip hazards. If you're looking to downsize, this would be perfect. If you're a young family with a child and you need a tub, no problem. The second full bath has a tub. So this property, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And you have this large finished basement. There's that tub I was telling you about. And you have this bonus room downstairs. Could be a great office or whatever you want it to be. But you know what? You're playing games here. You get a little snacky, no problem. You have a secondary kitchen here. You spilled something, no problem. You have your laundry tub right there, and you have a newer furnace keeping you warm and cozy. Do not miss out. This property is priced to sell. We're expecting multiple offers, so don't hesitate. Contact your agent today to schedule your private showing before it's gone.